What a beautiful day. Now off for the first wakeboard session of the season. Can't wait, it's warm enough. It is 17 degrees. It's been warm all week. And it's the first day I can get out. So I'm off to the shops to get some beers. I got my fridge cranked up, ice cold baby. So we're now going over the river that I'm going to be wakeboarding in. Oh, and it looks terrible. Choppy, not great. This is the sort of sport that you gotta chase the weather, really. You can't really wait till you're free. You gotta make yourself free because you want buttery glass, flat water. Any type of wind and it makes it a bit choppy. It's not the same. Oh, a quick cricket update. I got 93 not out on Sunday. Partnership with my friend, 126 I think it was, and we won the game. Awesome. Got cricket tomorrow and Sunday. We're also only about 10 weeks away from our Morzine trip. Yeah, so keep your eye out for the Morzine videos. There's going to be quite a few of them. There's going to be loads of content because it's 7 days. I'm going to do a couple of hikes if I can, a bit of whitewater rafting and then a lot of riding. There's 12 of us, all different levels. Some of us big hitters, some of us a bit more steady, some of us just rapid downhill. But yeah, I'll film that when I get there. But anyway, today, wakeboard session, first one of the year, let's go. Yeah, it's definitely a bit too windy, I reckon. It might die down a bit later. Normally calms right off at night, sort of in the afternoon I mean. But right now, it is quite choppy and quite windy. But my mate with the boat's coming in about half an hour, so we'll see what happens. Probably looks beautiful on camera, but it's quite windy. Landy, pulling a dream. There's normally a seal that lives on this decking most of the year round, but he don't look like he's there today. Probably don't look too bad on camera, but it's the wind in your face coming this way. You probably hear it now. You'd be alright getting pulled that way. But yeah, this is where it all happens. Go all the way up to that bridge, turn round, come around this buoy, come around and just do laps and laps and laps. As many laps as you want, as long as you're a member. Pay your membership, turn up whenever you want, even ride on Christmas Day if you want, but I'm not that keen. Got the fridge down to temperature, should be 5 degrees with some cold beer in. Get my bits out. Here's my board, got a Ronix Park board, Ronix Wake. And the Ronix bindings. It's a 149 in length, so it's pretty long, but it's perfect for my height and my weight. These are 2 seasons in and they look brand new still. The best pair of binders I've ever had by a mile.
Two, the part wall for 75 quid for both tyres, and I thought, well, I need to do it because
Right, bit windy, but we're going to send it. We'll see how it goes. It'll be alright coming that way down the river, that way down the river, but not very good coming this way. Handy little changing mat. 4.3 wetsuit. It's not very warm today. I might actually put my shorty on and my full body wetsuit. I'm gonna have about 7 mil. Putting on a dry wetsuit is never the easiest.
He did a podcast, didn't he?
I don't know.
Parks, yeah. It's quite good.
Yeah, I bet.
I've been listening to it in the old
Normally do a bit of stretching, but we're taking it easy, first ride of the season, so. Let's go. Let's go, baby. better. Until I fell off. Famous last words. Keep coming, boy. We're there, boy.
Yeah, look at that, right? It's been a while, hasn't it?
Looks perfect. Yo, that was a sick little ride for the start of the season. And the weather's not great. It's a bit cold, a bit grey. But what can we do? Oh, I'm racing a train. Oh, that is going some. Oh, that must be going. Oh, I can't even go that fast in this Land Rover. Going right fast. I'm now ordered fish and chips, so I'll collect them, go home, edit this little video, see how it comes out. Yeah, not much more to say. Got cricket tomorrow, cricket Sunday, and then we need to get some riding done before Morzine, because I can't be too rusty. I need at least 2 more good rides before Morzine happens, so probably hit up Twisted Oaks or Phoenix Bike Park or Chick Sands or something just to get the wheels spinning. But anyway, cheers. Let me know what you think of the wakeboarding, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy, guys.